Ian, what do you think about your new room? You like it? Look at all this room you have to roll over in your crib. Yes. Hello? Yeah. Here's Ian's new crib. We need to get a bumper. Hi. Look at the new nursery. Here we go. This is our new little nursing station. The crib. Our changing station. Chair. Yay! Ian and Austin's room. Fantabulous. You like it? You like it? Oh, what do you think? Yeah. That's a lot to say. Okay. We'll nurse now. Over and out.